To make a newspaper's 6 feet snowman, first fold newspaper and make paper sticks. Fold 2 sticks and join them like this and make a ring. We have to make 10 rings like this. All rings are made. We'll take them out. Now we will connect 4 sticks at equal distance in the ring like this. Now we will put it on the cylinder like this. We will put another ring in it. We'll put another ring on the cylinder. Mark on the vertical stick at 18 inches. We'll attach the ring to the mark. We'll also attach the bottom ring to the middle. Similarly, mark all the sticks and join them. Now we will connect the stick at the bottom like this. Now we will add more sticks in the middle of the sticks. Now we will fold one end of the stick by 3 inches like this and joint on frame like this. Mark at 8 inches. Turn the stick upward from the mark. Now we will add more sticks to the straight sticks. We'll mark on the stick at 12 inches. Now we will put on a ring and add it to the mark. Now we will fold the stick and add it in the middle like this. Now we will fold the stick about 3 inches and join like this. Now we will make homemade gum by dissolving 2 spoons of wheat flour in half a glass of water, heating it on a low flame for 5 minutes while stirring continuously. Now we will stick the newspaper on the frame. Paste in one line and leave one blank like this. Now we will join these sticks by folding them to the mark like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. Now we will add more sticks to the frame like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. In the next part of the video, we will complete our snowman. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.